Let's look at this one together. The first thing that I need to do is find a common denominator. 1/3 is equal to how many twelfths? 4 twelfths. Now I cannot do 4 twelfths minus 7 twelfths, so I need to regroup. I have 7 and 4 twelfths, I need to add my 1. So now I have 7 and 16 twelfths, and I really do just recommend rewriting the problem. Minus 5 and 7 twelfths. 16 minus 7 is 9 twelfths. It's 2 and 9 twelfths, which can be reduced to 2 and what, Harper? 3/4. Okay? Now, the last thing I want to say about being a level 4. When you do the race, you have to give me the equation and tell me why you added or subtracted those fractions. You do not tell me how you subtract. You tell me why you subtracted those. What do the numbers represent? You can add in that you needed to reduce, but you don't have to say how you reduced. You're not explaining to me how to add and subtract fractions. You're telling me why you did it. Just like if it were a whole number. Okay, what questions? Mason.
So, I know you said this was correct on spirals, but I still want to make sure it's correct for standards. So, if you are, say, you're reducing or finding a common denominator, do you say like I multiplied this times 1 whole or whatever equals?
You don't even have to tell me.
Because
Like you could literally just say, I subtracted 8 and 1/3 minus 5 and 7 twelfths equals 2 and 3/4 because Nolan ate 8 and 1/3 pizzas and Max ate 5 and 7 twelfths pizzas, and I needed to know how much more Nolan ate. You don't have to say, so I had to multiply 1/3 times 4/4 to get a common denominator.
what I meant.
Hey guys, are you listening? Are you listening?
What I really meant was you did your problem and then but you explained that you did that problem because never mind.
On the spiral, it was different because you had to find 1/9 of 99. So you did have to tell me why you did 99 divided by 9 or 1/9 times 99. Okay? But on this, you're either adding or subtracting. So you just have to tell me why you added and subtracted those numbers. Okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay.